Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my absolute favorites, Tiger King peppers. Now, don't be fooled by its simple look. This dish is packed with flavor. Honestly, it tastes way better than it looks. First, let's prepare the peppers. Just push the stem a little, then pull it off. Shake out all the seeds. And then give each pepper a little smack with your cleaver. That's gonna help them soak up more flavor later. Set them aside on a plate. Now let's mix up a quick sauce. In a small bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, about 5 grams of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about 200 milliliters of warm water. Give it a good stir. Also, chop up some garlic. We will need that at the end. Alright, everything's ready. Let's get cooking. Heat some oil in the wok. Then add the peppers. Keep the heat medium-low. Don't rush it. Once the skins blister up and you see that nice tiger skin pattern, flip them over. When both sides are nicely blistered and golden, pour in our sauce. Cover with a lid and let it simmer on low for about 2 to 3 minutes. Time's up. Let's take a look. Now sprinkle in the chopped garlic. Let that garlicky aroma come through. Then drizzle in a little cornstarch slurry. That will thicken the sauce so it clings to the peppers beautifully. And that's it. Done! Look at these peppers. Spicy, glossy, and just begging to be eaten with rice. Honestly, grab some pepper and rice together with your chopsticks. Take a bite. So satisfying. Let me try one. Oh wow, that's so fragrant and flavorful. Seriously, make sure you cook extra rice for this dish. It's simple to make, but unbelievably tasty. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.